Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm product review for the month of January. I know I said in my Boxycharm video that I usually do these every 2 weeks after I get the products just so I have time to play with them, but honestly I've been using them non-stop since I got them, so I already have my feelings on them and I'm so excited to tell you about them because I really like this box. The theme for this month was boxy and chill, which is so cute. Look, it's like it goes with my sweater here, which is so soft. Thank you, American Eagle. And we got 5 products in here, so let me just go through them and talk about how much I love each and every one of them. So it was very hard not using the second one of these. This is the Tatcha Luminous, let me get the name here, Luminous Dewy Face Mask 2-pack. Now these retail for $24, so it's $12 each mask, and let me tell you, this changed my life. I have been struggling so badly here in New Jersey. It's been like very weird weather. We either have 60 one day or -11 one day, and it's been freaking my skin out. Like, I have never had such dry skin before, and I have dry skin. But I used one of these and it really just, the serum, it just brought life back to my face for a few days. So I'm actually itching to open this one, but I wanted to, you know, like, show you what it was when I was reviewing it. So I have been holding on to this one and waiting for the day where my skin is just bone dry to use it. This made my skin feel so plump, felt so cool, felt so moisturized. I literally after just felt refreshed, like I'd spent a day at the spa. It's amazing. It is $12 and I'm not one to be like, yeah, it's worth $12, but yeah, it's worth $12. I really want to try out more Tatcha products, but Tatcha is a very expensive brand at Sephora, so I'll put it on my wish list, but I was so impressed with this. I loved this so much. So this one was a thumbs up for me. Okay, next we're gonna go with Briogeo. Now I also told you I have no idea how to do anything with my hair. Can you tell it's in a nice bun because I just took a shower? But this is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. This is kind of my style of product, a leave-in mask, especially when to put in with damp hair, because I have been letting my hair air dry, especially with my short hair. I feel like it looks better when it air dries. So what I've been doing is spraying this into like the ends of my hair and kind of working it up, and my hair looks amazing. Like my natural like waves come out so much more when I use this product. This was a deluxe sample size, or like a travel size, and this retailed for $16. This retailed for $16. Oh god. Oh god, an eyelash just fell. If anyone has contacts, the worst thing in the world is having like an eyelash get into your eye with your contact, because you feel the contact and you feel the eyelash at the same time. It's absolutely horrible. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. This is so good. I feel like it really has moisturized my hair, and just like my face, my hair has been really stressed out from all this weather change. It's been super dry lately, but I feel like when I add this into it, I see a difference. I forgot to add it one time this week when I was showering, and the next day I was like, my hair looks disgusting, like I need this Briogeo thing. So I actually might go out and purchase the full size of this when I'm done with this, and I don't usually purchase full size of anything. Like I don't usually like something enough to buy it again, but Boxycharm has a way of surprising me, and this really did surprise me. I was not excited for this at all, and here I am like raving about it. I just feel like it just helped my hair so much, and I like the smell of it. I like the spray of it. I really just, this one is a big thumbs up for me. It saves my hair. Alright, the next product in the box was from Ofra. This is the Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Havana Nights. This is my own one. I do have the one I got from the box, but I'm putting that away for a giveaway either on my YouTube or on my Instagram. I'm gonna hopefully do one soon. I'm just trying to get like all the products that I really love so I can give them to you guys, but this is one that I've really loved. This retails for $20, and this shade is a collaboration shade with Kathleen Lights, and I think I watched her video where she said that she had a hand in picking some of these products, which is probably why she picked her Ofra liquid lipstick shades. It is this beautiful deep red, so pretty right here. I have not typically been into red lipsticks, especially like really deep lipsticks. Like I'm not a statement lip kind of person, but I bought this during Cyber Monday at Ulta, and I have really been loving it. It is such a great lip, and what I like most about this is even though it's a deep bold color, it wears really nicely. So like I had an entire Christmas dinner with this liquid lipstick on, and it wore so nicely that there was still a little bit of color even with, you know, my pasta and our ham and our vegetables. Like, there was just still a bit of it, and when I reapplied it, it didn't pill up on itself like some liquid lipsticks do, and it kept my lips moisturized and looked healthy the whole day. I think this is an absolutely stunning shade, especially for winter. And this is one of my favorite colors of all time, so I'm so happy we got this in the box. Of course, this is the thumbs way up. Okay, so the next product actually really surprised me. When we get these kind of indie brands in the boxes, I'm always very apprehensive because I either love them or I hate them right away. There's never an in-between where I'm like, this is a good product, I either really like it, really don't like it. So when we got this one from Starlooks, and this is apparently an exclusive with Boxycharm. Yeah, this is a launch for them with Boxycharm. This retails for $19, and this is the Longwear Eye Pencil, and I got the shade Brown. And it is a deep brown. It is super, super creamy. It almost looks like black or like a charcoal. Like, this is the color right here. It's a very, very deep brown, and I really, really like this. I've used this both to smudge it out on my lid and as a waterline eyeliner, and they stay so well both ways. I find that I like this better in the waterline than like on top and smudged out, because it does shear itself away a little bit when you smudge it out, which is to be expected, but it doesn't move. Like, once it sets down, it doesn't move. So it's not the best one for manipulation on the eye. But in the waterline, it stays and it looks absolutely stunning. This is really, really nice. And I love getting a brown shade because I have so many black eyeliners and I don't use. I like colorful or like browns. So this was perfect for me to get. I think this is absolutely beautiful. I really liked it and I loved how it looked. And I've gotten compliments when I've been wearing this. And I know it's probably not the eyeliner they're complimenting, but like, my eyeliner. So that Starlooks product is a thumbs up for me as well. This is a box that really surprised me, like, honestly. I really didn't expect to like these products as much as I did. And the last product in the box is from Tarte, which Tarte is actually one of my favorite brands. They were the first high-end brand I ever bought an eyeshadow palette from and my first foundation from, even though it was for oily skin and I have very dry skin. I didn't know what I was doing. But this is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. As I mentioned, we did get the Volume 2. Let me just get it from here. We did get the Volume 2 palette last year, and I actually did put this one away because it has this weird thing. On the matte shades, it gets this weird film over the top, and this is a brand new palette, and it happened on like the 4th or 5th use. I only keep it because I love the mirror on this. So I was super apprehensive to get this because that didn't have a lot of shimmers in it, but I liked the shimmers, and this one is almost completely shimmer. And it's very neutral shimmers, and I didn't think exactly that I was going to like this, but I have been loving smudging Malibu up on my top line with the eyeliner and making like a smoky glittery liner. It looks so pretty, and I have gotten a lot of compliments with that eye look. I also have really been enjoying all of these shimmer shades. I've used pretty much every one of these in this palette, and they are just something kind of incredible. I'm going to swatch Malibu for you so you can see why I'm in love with it so much. This is on one swipe, and look at that color payoff. It is really reflective. It's really, really nice. They feel really buttery. So I feel like actually an all shimmer palette from Tarte, like the Rainforest of the Sea formula, is so good. I was so surprised that I like this, and I've actually been wearing it like every day, at least for an inner corner highlight. I've seen some people wear these as highlighters, but they're just a little too intense for me as a highlighter. But if you like intense highlighters, imagine this on your face, like as a highlight. That would be crazy. So yeah, this is one I've been really enjoying. I don't touch the matte shade in this palette actually because it is like pretty much my skin tone, and I'm very fair as it is, so this is a very, very pale shade. I bet you some people could get away with using it as like a brow bone highlight, but I have actually not been using that shade. It's called Tiki, but everything else I've been using and loving, so this is a big win for me, and this retailed for something crazy. Yeah, $36. So this was also a thumbs up for me. I feel like I gave this one such a really harsh like review. Like, I said I was disappointed in this box when I unboxed it, and I wish I could go back and like slap myself in the face and be like, can you actually try the products first, because you'll be surprised. And I am. I'm so surprised that I liked this box so much. I've liked every single product in this box, and that does not happen to me often. And like, legitimately, some of these have become staples in my makeup routine. I have been wearing that eyeliner consistently since I got it in the box. I've been using this eyeshadow palette consistently, and it's not because I'm doing this video. It's because I find myself actively reaching for something intense, something beautiful, something duochrome, like a shimmer like this. This hairspray really surprised me. I don't know how to do anything with hair, but I find that I'm reaching for it, and I need to use it after I shower, or I feel like my hair makes it just looks completely different, and it's freaking crazy. And you know, the Tatcha mask, I need to get more Tatcha products now. It's just like, this was such a surprising box. I really didn't think I was gonna like it, and yet I do. So as a lesson, don't judge a book by its cover. So yeah guys, that completes this video. Again, I'm so sorry I've been so like sparse with my uploads. I really wanted to get back on it when school ended, but unfortunately I do still have one paper due. It's due on the 4th, so like it's very close, and it has a lot of research to do. It's an ancient Greek paper, so there's not much information, and I'm trying to squirrel away everything I can, but that paper is going to be done soon, and I promise I'm going to have that much more time to upload and film videos that I'm really passionate about. Yeah guys, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!